Alright, this is my new truck, folks, and just bought it. It's a 2005 GMC Canyon. Let me tell you, folks, it has all the bells and whistles. Let me tell you, man, it's got a nice CD player, it's got the navigational, it's got a lot of things in here. It's even got a TV in the back. Just don't tell the wife. I love this truck. It's like primo. It's the first brand spanking new truck I've ever had. So I mean, hey, you know, I had to show it off. All my friends on the internet. Ain't she a beaut? And it's got a Hemi. 100% American muscle. I love it. I just love it. You know? And I had to trade my Dodge Ram in for it, so hey, it's well worth it, right? I mean, gee whiz, it's blue, and it's got the four-wheel drive, you know. And let me see here, get you guys a better view. I'm in my garage right now, so as you can see, you know, hey, rock on. You know, I love it. And let's see here. I don't love the main winters though. This thing handles it pretty damn good. Can't wait till summer though. Hey. There we go. Alright, well, I better get going. The wife wants me in bed, so I'll see everybody later.